I just got this Family Life manicure set.
Okay, opening the kit. As you can see, it comes well packaged, well wrapped. Yeah, see, it comes with this brown leather pack. Nice, beautiful. Let me see what is in there. Oh wow, the kit is very portable and it has this covering for the tools to protect it and keep it nice and organized. The kit has a compilation of tools going from left to right. You have the tweezers, you have the cuticle knife, you have the hair pick, you have the V-shape push stick, you have the cuticle and nail polish, and lastly you have the nail file. That's on the left side, and on the right side you have the toenail clipper, fingernail clipper, cuticle nipper, scissors, and ingrown toenail clippers. These are made from stainless steel and they are very sharp. They cut to precision and they look lovely. As you can see, I flipped it over to try and cut my nails, and let me see. You can see it's cut to perfection. Clip once and it cuts. Overall, this is a good piece of equipment to have, and it's good for traveling and in-house. I highly recommend this for anyone.